seasons of winter, and you'd give anything to feel the sun. Always reaching, always climbing.
Hello, Kuya Michael. Happy birthday.
Birthday po.
50th birthday. Happy
Wow.
50th birthday, Kuya Michael. Sana makabisita kami dyan sa inyo next year. And hope to see you soon. Enjoy your birthday and God bless.
God bless po.
Mike, happy birthday. Grabe, tagal na natin hindi nakikita. Miss ko na yung mga banding natin noon. Grabe, hindi ko makakalimutan yung annex natin. 50 years old ka na, my gosh. Tanda na, sir. Kumusta naman dyan sa Canada? 50 years old na. Musyunda ka na. Wish ko lang po, sir, sa inyo all the best, especially your health and more birthdays to come, sir. Ingat kayo palagi dyan. Eksi lang po, ha, kasi hindi ako prepare. Hindi ako prepare sa speech ko. Kaya, wish ko lang talaga, happy birthday po. And then, ingat kayong lahat dyan, pati po sila. Rod at saka yung mga bata. Malay mo, makita tayo dyan. Thank you, sir. And then, thank you sa lahat-lahat noon. Samahan natin, ganda-ganda. Hindi ko makakalimutan. And then, yun lang. Sana makita-kita tayo. Happy birthday!
Magandang araw, Mike, at sa iyong pamilya. Kamusta kayo dyan? Si Roda at mga bata. Nga pala, happy 50th birthday sa iyo. At sana palagi kayo nasa maayos at mabuting kalagayan. Bihira na rin tayo magkita-kita, mag-usap-usap dahil busy na lahat eh. Pero ang hindi ko makakalimutan, ikaw ang pinakamalaking katawan sa amin. Hindi, biro lang. Muli, happy birthday, Mike, at sana palagi kayo nasa maayos sa buting kalagayan ng iyong pamilya.
Happy birthday, Mike. Nakalimang dekada ka na, and we are so grateful. Naging part kami nung limang dekadang yun. We miss the old days. Sana magkasabay-sabay tayong umuwi sa Pilipinas para makapag-banding ulit tayo. Just enjoy the day, and happy birthday, and God bless.
Ayun, Mike, happy birthday. Copy-paste na lang yung sinabi ni Ana. Basta ingatan mo yung sarili mo at nami-miss ko na kayo at yung buong barkada. Sana magkasama-sama ulit tayo. God bless and we miss you.
Happy birthday!
Always second guessing the timing, but God has a plan, a purpose in this. You are His child, and don't you forget, He put that hunger in your heart, He put that fire in your soul. His love is the reason to keep on believing when you feel like giving up.
Happy 50th birthday, paring Mike. Isa sa pinakamabait at totoong taong nakilala ko. Magkasama na kami yan since elementary, mag-classmate kami. Then, high school, classmate ko pa rin yan. Nung nag-college, ibang school pero parehong Intramuros pa rin. So, masarap kasama, kabanding. Yan, pag may kasiyahan, lagi kami nakikita niyan. Pre, good health at more birthdays to come. Ingat kayo, pati ng family mo. Happy 50th birthday ulit, pre.
Hey brother! Wow! Golden boy! Well brother, happy birthday! Wishing you all the best, of course. You are gifted with two beautiful daughters, a lovingly wife. I think the only thing I can ask and pray for you is your health. Good health, of course, for you and your family. Happy birthday, brother.
Yan.
Happy birthday, brother.
50 ka na pala. Akala ko 45 lang. Wala sa itsura, di ba?
Happy birthday, Mike! Happy golden birthday to you! Enjoy your day!
Yeah, enjoy your day, brother. Happy birthday ulit.
When you feel like giving up, when you feel like giving in, His love is the reason to keep on believing. If we could pull back the curtain of heaven, we would see His hand on every.
Mike, happy 50th birthday. Katatapos lang ni Rodel mag-birthday, ngayon ikaw naman. Hope you're doing fine and your family. And kumbaga, sa grupo natin, ikaw ang tiniguri ang, kung meron tayong El Negro, meron naman tayong Wendell Ramos. Ikaw yun, di ba? Kamusta nga pala yung dalawang mansanas na iniibig mo sa kilikili mo pag naglalakad? Yung lagi namin ginagaya ni Kuya, ni Rodel, at ni Bobby. Pero hindi. Nevertheless, enjoy your day. Happy birthday. And God bless sa iyo at sa family mo. Kaya kami naman dito sa Pilipinas, hoping na pag uwi ninyo ni Rodel, sana naman magkaroon tayo ng gathering para mapagkwentuhan naman natin yung ating past adventures. Lalong-lalo na yung kasama natin si Andy Bear na napadaan tayo sa isang nagkape. Okay, sige Mike, ito lang. I hope I'm not too late in greeting you your 50th birthday. Happy birthday ulit, pare.
Happy birthday, Mike! May the good Lord gives you a shower of blessings and more happiness, good health especially. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Michael! Sana maraming sapitin pang kaarawan mo, tapos huwag kayong magkakasakit, lagi kayong mag-iingat sa inyong pagpupuntahan.
Happy birthday!
Hi, Michael. Have a happiest birthday. Enjoy your day. Love you. Okay, bye-bye.
We would see His hand on everything, every hour, every minute, every second. He's always been in it. Don't let a shadow of a doubt take hold. Hold on to what you already know.
Michael, happy birthday to you. We pray that you will be healthy and strong and will always have a good family to attend to.
Hi, Michael. Happy birthday. Welcome to the golden age. Thank you for taking care of my sister Rhoda and your two daughters. You're such a good husband and a good dad to them. May God continue to bless you and keep you safe always. Hope you can visit us here in Maryland also. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday. Enjoy.
Happy birthday, Tito Michael. Happy birthday, Lolo Michael.
Tito Michael.
Sing happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We love you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Yay, yay.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Brother Mike. Happy bilis ng panahon. Golden boy ka na. Thank you pare sa lahat ng tulong mo, lalo na when we were still in Pizza Hut. Unknowingly na-inspire mo ko, kaming lahat, lalo na ako, especially nung nakita ko yung gano'ng kakabait nung trainee pa lang ako, yung tiyaga mo sa akin na turuan ako.
Thank you sa lahat na yon. And nagamit ko yan until now na maging patient. And may one time, brother, na hanggang ngayon nakatatak pa rin sa isip ko. And yun yung nagmascot ka, brother, na talagang kahit na mahirap, mainit, ginawa mo pa din yun. Sobrang bilib ako sa iyo. Kaya hanggang ngayon natandaan ko yan sa iyo na inikot natin yung mall. Ang hirap nung role mo. Pero ang nakakabilib, brother, nung tinanggal natin yung costume, grabe, hindi ko nakita ng lungkot mo, hindi ko nakita na parang pagod ka. Talagang happy ka pa din na na-fulfill mo yung role mo. Kaya thank you for that instant, brother, na talagang na-inspire ako na pagbutihin yung work. And sabi ko nga, sa mga nakita kong commitment mo, talagang marami kang natulungan na tao. Thank you, brother, sa lahat. Meron sana akong sasabihing secret natin kasi birthday mo naman. Kaso baka hindi ka na umabot ng 51, brother, pag sinabi ko at narinig ni Roda. Kaya sa atin na lang. Happy birthday, brother Mike. Ingat kayo palagi dyan. Miss ko na kayo.
Hello, Michael. Happy birthday. Happy golden boy birthday, ha?
Happy birthday, Michael.
Tatandaan ko, 50 years ago na pala yun, yung nakita kita sa Sipak, sa Nabotas, nung inuwi ka ng mami mo sa bahay ni Lola. Ha?
Bahay ni Lola.
Oh, Lola Anastasia. At you're being a good father and a responsible father to your kids and a good husband, ha? Sana magkita tayo ulit sa reunion. Kung magkikita pa tayo sa Pilipinas sa reunion, sana sabay tayo, ha?
God bless you, Michael.
God bless you.
God bless you and
God
your
bless you.
family.
Oh, yeah.
With good health and
Oh,
happiness in
good
life.
health. Oh, good health, ha? Bye-bye.
Hi Kuya Mike, happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Ayan, happy birthday sa brother-in-law ko na sobrang bait and sobrang generous, hindi lang sa aming family, kundi din sa ibang mga tao. And I pray and wish that may you always be blessed with good health and may all the desires of your good heart come true. Ayan, huwag magbabago Kuya Mike, don't change your big heart. Happy birthday!
Thankful ako na may tito kong katulad mo. Sobrang bait na nagbibigay sa amin ng mga gifts. Sorry, masakit yung singaw. And wish ko na maging healthy ka at parati ka mag-ingat dyan. Happy birthday ulit.
Hello, Tito Michael. Happy birthday. Thank you po sa lahat ng mga tulong na naibigay ko sa amin. Sana mas ma-enjoy mo yung day na to at lahat ng wishes mo ikaw to. Happy birthday po ulit.
Happy birthday!
Birthday!
Hi Kuya, first of all, I would like to say thank you so much for all the help na binibigay niyo sa akin at Roda. You are the perfect example of what a loving Kuya should be. And I'm grateful to be your brother every day. Wish you an amazing and beautiful year ahead. May this birthday brings you all the happiness you ever wish for. Happy 50th birthday. Love you so much, brother. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Michael. Araw-araw, palagi ka mag-iingat sa daan. Palagi mong alagaan ang sarili mo sa sakit, sa lahat ng gagawin mo. Palagi mong alalahanin na Mommy loves you. Happy 50th birthday.